Ever had a job lined up, but the client won't let you start without a certificate of insurance? Frustrating, right? Good news, there's a faster, easier way to get your COI in minutes, not days, thanks to Next Insurance. Link in the description box below. Let's break it all down, step by step. What is a certificate of insurance, COI? A certificate of insurance, aka COI, is proof that your business is covered. It tells clients, landlords, or partners that you've got valid insurance and you're ready to work. Whether you're bidding on jobs, signing leases, or registering your business, a COI is your golden ticket. How to get a certificate of insurance with Next, step by step. Step 1. Log in. If you're already a Next customer, just log into your account through the website or mobile app. Not a customer yet? You can start a free quote in minutes by clicking the link in the description box below. Step 2. Create your COI. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to manually create your COI, or upload a sample and let Next customize one for you automatically using their COI Analyzer technology. Step 3. Share it instantly. Once it's ready, you can email, print, download, or share a live link. And yes, you can create and send unlimited COIs 24/7. No waiting around. What's included in your COI? Your certificate will show your name, policy number, and company info. The type of coverage, like general liability or workers' comp. Coverage start and end dates. Coverage limits, deductibles, and more. Any additional insureds, special conditions, or job details. Basically, it's everything your client or landlord needs to know. Why use Next for COIs? Old school insurance made getting a COI a hassle, emails, agents, long waits. But Next flips the script. Create and edit COIs 24/7. Add additional insureds with just a few clicks. Use live COIs to let clients request changes. Get all this at no extra cost with your Next policy. How much does it cost? That's the best part, unlimited COIs are included with your Next policy. No hidden fees. No surprise charges. Can I add an additional insured? Just add them during the COI creation process. This helps protect your clients or landlords under your policy, perfect for contracts or job requirements. So if you're ready to stop chasing paperwork and start winning jobs, log into Next and generate your COI in minutes. It's fast, easy, and built for small business owners like you. Need insurance? Start your free quote today.